Welcome to a new video with Mr. Math. Today's topic is Pythagorean Theorem. Find the length of the third side if necessary, round to the nearest tenth. What's important about this is we need to find which leg is which side is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always directly across from the right angle. We're going to call that C. So we're going to call this leg A and this leg B. Pythagorean's theorem says that the sum of the squares of the legs is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So we'll have A squared plus B squared, the two legs, equals to C squared, the hypotenuse. We know the two legs, lengths, so that would be 8. So we'll just substitute those in, and 6. And we're looking for the hypotenuse. 8 squared is 64. 6 squared is 36. And that equals to C squared. Adding the two constant terms, we get 100. Now we have a quadratic equation. C squared is equal to 100. Knowing that, we can use what's called the square root method. So that means we're going to take the square root of both sides. The square root of C squared is C, and the square root of 100 is positive and negative 10. Well, since C is a length, we can't have a negative length. So our answer is C is equal to 10 units. Thanks for watching today, and I hope the video was helpful for you. And as always, we will see you next time.